So hopefully you've been having a great time playing your new alto sax. We've covered quite a bit of material so far. You just learned about different articulations, you were having fun doing crazy stuff, learned all the proper techniques, embouchure, how to get a good sound, dynamics, all these things that make up being a great musician. I think we're ready to learn some more notes now so we can start playing a lot more songs. Once we learn the rest of these notes, you'll be able to pick out so many songs you won't even have time to do anything else except for play songs. All right, well, so what we're going to do now is play the rest of the G major scale. It includes the first 5 notes that we've already learned, but a few more. So I'm going to review the first 5 and then we'll show you the new notes. So the first note is G, as you know. Nice solid G. Then we go to A, 2 fingers down, then B, then to C, we know that note, and then our D note. Okay, D. Up to this point we've learned these notes. Let's do those again quickly and then we'll go on to the new notes. G, A, B, C, D. Now it's important to let your fingers flow from one note to the next. You don't have to lift your fingers up every time you go to a new note. You just move, you lift up only the finger you need to lift up or put down. You always try to be as efficient as you can with your fingers. Now the next new note, it's pretty easy because you already have the D. All you have to do is lift up one finger from the D to E, going up to E. It's one finger up in the right hand. Okay? So you've got your octave key down, your 3 fingers in the left hand, your 2 fingers in the right hand, that's E. The next new note is F sharp, F sharp. Now, the sharp symbol is like a number sign, so you'll see that in your music either in the beginning, in the key signature, or in the measure in front of the note. So this is the note F, and it's F sharp. It changes the pitch of the note. If it was an F natural, it would be a different note. So F sharp is this fingering right here with the middle finger. Okay, that's our newest note. And then finally, this last note is easy because we already played it. This is just an octave higher, so it's the G, just like in the low octave. But we use the octave key. We've got to press that key. Okay, we already had it pressed anyway, so no problem. We just keep it down for all those other notes. From the D up to the high G, the octave key is pressed down, it stays down. Stays down for all those notes. Okay, so we're pressing the octave key when we go from D and up. Any note above D has octave key. Let's do that again. I'll talk it through and then we'll play it. G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. Again, the new notes E, F sharp, G. I'm going to play it slowly, out of tempo, no tempo right now, just so you can hear it, and if you want to play along with me, I'll cue that by lifting my saxophone up and then putting it down when to start the note. So that's the whole scale. Now let's try doing it in half notes, and what we'll do this time is go up and then back down. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. So there you go, half notes, full G scale, up and down. Now, if you listen to the way I'm playing, I was just playing that with a legato tongue. I was playing it smoothly tongued. Let's do it now in quarter notes and try a different articulation. Let's try it staccato. Let's do the staccato. Now remember, staccato is a pointed tongue, sharp tongue, separated. The notes will separate those notes and make them short and attacked lightly. Here we go. Quarter notes. 1, 2, ready, play. So that's the major scale, the G major scale. That's a concert B flat major scale if you're talking in concert key, like the piano. Your band director might talk to you in concert, so know that since saxophone is a transposing instrument, you have to play different notes than they tell you sometimes. But for you, that's G major. Now let me play that fast, just so you can hear the scale very fast. I'm going to play it completely slurred, so I don't have to think about the tongue. I can play faster when I don't have the tongue. So here we go. So that's playing it fast. Now if you practice, you can play it equally as fast as I can. Now before I leave you, I'd like to play a song that has all the notes in that scale. I'm sure you'll recognize it. And when you go home and practice, try to find some songs on your own that use the notes of the major scale. The G major scale, great scale to know. So many songs out there that have the notes of this scale. So here you go.